friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make instant Besan Dosa. This is a very crispy and delicious South Indian breakfast recipe. Very easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add half cup of besan or gram flour, a tablespoon of rice flour, a tablespoon of rava or semolina, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder and a pinch of Ajwain. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Now to this add 2 cups of water little at a time and mix it well. Make sure it's lump free. Now we have the proper consistency and our instant Besan Dosa batter is now ready. Heat a dosa tawa and make sure the flame is high and the tawa is super hot. Add a teaspoon of oil and spread it well. Now take some batter in a bowl like this and pour it directly to hot tawa. Fill the gaps and make sure it's not very thick. Now simmer the flame and let this cook for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes the dosa is crispy and well done, so we can remove it now. Now our delicious instant Besan Dosa is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some coconut chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this instant Besan Dosa recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.